Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Market Insider TV. It is Monday, April the 30th. Thanks for joining us. Brian Hoops with Midwest Market Solutions, looking at what's going on over the weekend and our headlines for this morning's commentary. As always, if you have any questions, contact any of our offices. We have them listed there on the screen. You can reach someone at one of those offices that are representative, and I know they'd be glad to assist you and give you some marketing ideas. Over the weekend, I drove from Springfield over to Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and wow, a lot of activity in the western belt there along the Interstate I-29, either outright planting of corn or some field work preparation, and producers very busy over the weekend and into the early part of this week. This morning, exporters announced a sale of 120,000 metric tons of soybeans to Argentina, and that is not a surprise to the trade. We've seen this last several times, last several weeks. We've seen some sales of soybeans, and it's a positive for the United States, and it also shows how poor the crop in Argentina is. We've seen a huge rally in soybean meal and soybeans, and this is a fundamental supportive feature. Also, this afternoon we'll have corn planting progress expected to reach that 22 to 25% complete. That's probably the most optimistic, but there's producers that are in Illinois that say before this week's rain event occurs, they could have all their corn seeded, as the conditions are nearly ideal. A lot of moisture, soft ground, and conditions are warming. That should speed up germination. So we're not going to be we're going to be behind this week in today's report, but we're going to make some pretty good progress. Also, soybean planting 4 to 5% done. Hard red spring wheat should be 10 to 15% complete. There is rains that are going to move in the western corn belt Tuesday, Wednesday. It's going to slow some field work down. Then those rains move into the eastern belt later in the week, but producers making some good progress. Southern Illinois, as I mentioned, probably going to have a lot of their field work done by that time frame. All right, in the livestock markets here, cash cattle trade on Friday $3 to $4 better than what was expected, and compared to a week ago, that rallied the cattle market. We rallied to sharp gains on Friday, and are expected to open this morning higher in follow-through buying. Grains were stronger in the overnight trade. The hard red winter wheat tour begins this week, and the wheat futures have rallied, anticipating that tour will find some crop problems. And so it's anticipating that, and I think are going to see crop progress numbers be not that real influential in the market today. Most likely, trade's going to wait to see if we can catch up and how these rains impact the planting progress this week. But certainly, technically, contract highs in meal is bullish, and kind of a breakout on the corn charts as well, as we're making above some resistance areas. December corn 417 for a high overnight. That's a new high for this spring time frame. If you have any questions at all, contact any of our offices. I know they'd be glad to talk with you, assist you. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets. We hope to hear from you. Have a great day, everyone.